Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in my channel we're gonna see how to do a DIY decoupage bottle art with homemade gesso and Mod Podge. So things you need are glass bottle, decoupage paper or any printout of your choice, acrylic paint, water, gesso and Mod Podge. So let's get started. First take a glass bottle and wipe them well with a cloth. Once you've done wiping it, we're going to start coating the bottle with the homemade gesso. Use a sponge or a brush and damp them well. Do it repeatedly until the glass bottle is covered well. Here I did almost 4 to 5 coats to cover the glass bottle. Once you've done coating them, leave them for an hour. Now take the decoupage printout and use a wet brush and paint them in the corners. And carrot. Here we are using water and applying it in the corner just to make the tearing process easier. Now since my bottle is curved, I have randomly torn the decoupage paper into pieces so that when I assemble the pieces on the glass bottle, it will be easy for me to merge well. Now to stick, here I am using the homemade Mod Podge on back of the paper and sticking it on the bottle. Be sure that you don't use a lot of Mod Podge, otherwise the decoupage can tear. Once you've stuck the paper on the bottle, use a dry paintbrush and smudge them. You can also use your hands for the bends. I am doing the same process for all the pieces. Here I am taking different decoupage prints, but all the prints are related to each other. According to your bottle's size or shape, you can stick the deco patch either in one side or all over. So once you've done sticking all the deco patch, let them dry for an hour. Once they are dry, let's do the smudging. Here I'm taking white and purple paint and I'm going to start smudging them with a sponge. Once you've done smudging them, I'm going to do one coat of Mod Podge. Once it's done, let it dry for an hour. Now our Deco Podge bottle is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell.